Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Builder.io, a platform that promises to make website and page building faster and easier even if you don't know how to code. But is it really as smooth and efficient as it sounds? Let's find out. What it is. Builder.io is a visual website and page builder designed to help businesses and creators design, launch, and optimize web pages without writing code. Its main purpose is to provide a flexible drag-and-drop interface so teams can build professional pages quickly while integrating with existing systems. How it works. The platform works by letting you drag elements onto your page, text, images, videos, buttons, and more, and customize them visually. You can connect it to your existing CMS or e-commerce platform, create reusable components, and even set up A/B testing for marketing campaigns. It's built to save time, allowing you to see real-time changes and updates without touching code. Who it's for. Builder.io is perfect for marketers, designers, e-commerce owners, and small to medium businesses who want a no-code solution to build websites and landing pages. It's also useful for developers who want to speed up front-end development using visual tools. Pros. Drag-and-drop interface makes building pages easy. Integrates with popular CMS and e-commerce platforms. Supports real-time previews and A/B testing. Flexible enough for both non-developers and dev teams. Cons. Can feel complex initially due to many features. Advanced customization may still require some coding knowledge. Pricing may be high for small startups on a budget. Recommendation. So here's my recommendation. If you want a fast, flexible, and powerful no-code tool for web pages and landing pages, Builder.io is worth trying. It's ideal for teams or creators who want professional results without spending hours coding. And that wraps up my Builder.io review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews.